So far you have seen how to create a object in the JavaScript and how to update the object properties and how to delete the object properties in the JavaScript. In this JavaScript tutorial, we are going to see what are arrays and its syntax and example for the arrays in the JavaScript. Let's understand what are arrays first. So array is a special type of variable which is capable of holding the more than one values or the elements. So values are nothing but it's a data and we call it as the elements. The syntax is data type followed by the variable name, and here you can add the a number of values. And if it is a string, you can add it in the double quotes, and if it is a numeric value, directly you can enter like this. So here is an example, example 1. So I'm starting with the var data type followed by the variable name as colors and equal to operator. In the square brackets, we are writing all the elements. So firstly, I have written blue, white, red, and the 2000 as the numeric value. So like this, you can add a number of strings and a number of numeric values. And that is each value is separated by the comma. While we are creating an object in the JavaScript, we were using the open brace and the close brace. But while creating an arrays in the JavaScript, we are using the open bracket and the close bracket. That is a square bracket we are using it. So let's understand how to access the array elements or the array values. We have seen how to create the arrays in the JavaScript. So let's see how to access them. You can access any array element by using the index. And if you look at here, so here I'm using the array, followed by that I'm specifying the index. So every array element starts with the 0 index. For example, so in this case, blue index is 0, white index is 1, and red index is 2, and 2000 value index is 3. So let me just ignore this part. That's it. And so here I'm trying to access the first index. That means I'm accessing the white value. And if you see the output here, so it is printing the white as the output. For example, if I specify 0 here, it will print the blue as the value. You can access by using the index of an array, any value from the array. That is a list of values. And you can update any array value by using the index. If you look at here, so here I'm trying to update the first index. So here I'm trying to update the white value. That's a white value from. So here I'm trying to update the white value with the green. So by using the index, I can update any value. So if I want to update the value of the red, so here I need to specify the index as 2. So by using the index, you can access it, and also you can update the value. For example, so already I have created an array and where I want to add new element or the new value to the array. So that can be done by using the push method. You can use the array dot push method. Inside that you can specify the value. So we are trying to add the orange value. That's the orange element to the our colors array. And also you can delete the elements from the your array by using the array name, that is the colors dot pop. So this particular pop method is going to delete the latest value from your array. For example, let's assume we have created an array colors like this. So if I call this pop method, it is going to delete the 2000 value first. If I call it second time, so it is going to delete the red. If I call it third time pop method, it is going to delete the white like this. So also we will be seeing a couple more examples. We are going to see how to reverse the array elements, and in the example 3 we are going to see how to merge any two arrays. So let's see all these examples in the VS Code, that is a Visual Studio code editor for the JavaScript. So here I'm simply creating the one array called colors, and here I'll say open bracket square bracket, and I'll specify the color here. That is the very first color as blue, and after that I will add another color called white, and then I will add another color called red, and then I will add another element, that is a numeric value as 2000. So that's it guys. I will close the bracket and I will enter the semicolon. That's it. We have created a simple array called colors. So let's print the colors variable. So here I'll say colors. So if you look at here, it has the 4 elements in it. And you can basically check it how many elements are there in this particular array by using the one method called colors dot length. So this particular method returns you the how many elements are there or how many values are there in this particular array. So right now there are 4 elements. So that's the reason the output is 4, right? So let's see how to access the array elements. As I said, we can access any array element by using the index. So let's try to access the white. So as I said, array always starts with the 0th index. So here I will have to specify the 1 as the index. So here I'll say colors of 1. And if you see the output here, I'm able to access the white. And if I want to access red, so I will have to specify the index as 2, right? For example, I want to access last element of this particular array. How do I do that? So this can be done by using the colors. In the square bracket, simply write the array name dot length minus 1. So that's it guys. So for example, if you want to access the last element, simply you can pass the array name dot length minus 1. Simply it will return you the last element of the array. So far you have seen how to create the array in the JavaScript, and also you have seen how to access the array elements by using the index. So let's see how to insert the element into the our existing array. So simply you can use array name followed by that. Here you say push. So inside push, simply let's add it. So here I'm adding the color as one more green. So that's it. And if you see the output here, so it is returning me the index where exactly it is inserted this particular color. So it is inserted at the 5th place in this particular array. Right now we are having four elements, and in the 5th place it is inserted the green as a color. And if I print the colors array, it has the our inserted element in the colors. So this is how you can insert the new element into the existing array. So let's see how you can delete the element from the array. So as I said just now, so we can insert it by using the push method. So we can delete it any element from the array. In the sense we can delete it only the last element. For example, if I use color dot pop, it is going to delete the last element. So for example, if I say colors dot pop, so this method is going to delete the last element from the array. So if I hit enter, so it is going to return what is the element it is deleted just now. So if I print the colors array now, the colors array doesn't have the green color. If you see here, it has only the 3 colors and the one numeric value. And this is how we can delete the element from the array. So now let's see how to reverse any array elements in the JavaScript. So it is very simple guys. So what you can do is simply use the colors dot say reverse. So it will print all the elements in the reverse order. If you see here, so firstly it is printing the 2000 and followed by red and followed by the white, and it is printing the blue at the end of the array. So this is how you can reverse any arrays in the JavaScript. Now let's understand how to merge any two arrays in the JavaScript. So what we will do is let's create a one dummy array, because right now we are having colors array. We will merge this particular colors array into the another dummy array. So here I'll say var. Here I'm creating one dummy array called weekends. And here I'll say open bracket, square bracket. And here I'm saying first value as Saturday. And after that, I'll add another value called Sunday. That's it, guys. So if I print my weekends array, so it is going to print the two elements, that is Saturday and Sunday. So let's merge our colors array, which has the four elements basically, and we have second array called weekends, which has the two elements. So in the result array, it should have the total six elements, right? So so it is very easy. How you can do it is, let's use the very first array dot simply say concat. So here simply you need to specify the inside the concat method, simply you have to specify the another array called weekends. That's it, guys. So if you look at the output here, it is printing all the four elements from the colors array, and after that another two elements are coming from the weekends. So this is how you can merge any two arrays in the JavaScript, guys. So this is all I'm having for the arrays in the JavaScript.